Groovy smoothie. Ooh, text her and tell her to bring me a corn dog. They don't sell corn dogs. I know, she'll be so confused. Anyway, so get this. I was just at Hey Food buying groceries, and as I'm coming out, I meet this woman, this like totally super hot woman.
What? Tell me.
So I start flirting her up, right?
Tell me.
And I say,
What?
yo, let's go grab a donut.
Look
She
how,
goes, okay. So
how little you are.
just double tap around the corner. Oleos? No, Amazing
Oh.
Blaze. Anyway, turns out she's really fun and cool and single and female. She's coming here to have dinner with me tomorrow night. Oh, nice.
What?
So where are the groceries?
Oh, yes. Gonna come see me? What?
No.
What?
Where you go?
What? Well, tell him. Where's my mama? Where's my mama? Where's my mama? Look at that baby. You are so cute.
Ginger, you need to go out there and rehearse. You haven't had a hit song in 3 years.
So, neither have you.